Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2016 Dodge Durango SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black. It looks fantastic. Who doesn't love a nice black SUV? You do have a black grille as well with the Dodge badging on it, and you do have halogen projector style headlights right there with your projector style fog lights just down there. They are incredibly bright as well. You do have 20-inch rims right over here. They look great. They are in the kind of a metallic-y gray color. They look awesome. And you do have Bridgestone brand tires as well. Still lots of tread left on them, so you will be good for a little while. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there in the black. And we can come all the way around to the back here. You do have your Dodge badging and your Durango all-wheel drive. Now to open it up, you just got to press the button right there. It'll open up for you. Lots of room back here as well. Looks great. You can lift this guy up for some additional storage just under there. You do have some additional storage there with an emergency flashlight. Also, if you didn't need the people back here, you can fold these down just like that. Then you got even more room to store whatever you might need to. Okay, we do have our keys here. We got 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock. You got that guy to open up your back, and that one for your remote start. Now, it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the keys on your person, you just got to put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Plus, you have the button there if you did want to use that. Now, on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. So it's got a bit of silver accenting here and a handle here. It is leather to put your arms on, very comfortable, and you got this kind of white stitching, looks great. You have some storage down here with water bottle holder. Very nice interior as well. It is leather trimmed seats with this cloth. It feels very nice, very comfortable. You do also have your electric seats down here, so this one's the lumbar support, and this is the backward and forward as well as the tilt and the back there. Now over here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams all there with our fog lights just there, and our in-cabin light control right here. And then that guy does control our windshield wipers, turning signals, and high beams. Okay, so keys are in the cup holder. Just gotta put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our vehicle info. This one does tell us we need to inflate one of our tires a little bit. We can do that. We also have our fuel economy and our trip B and trip A, as well as our stop start options, our audio, we have our messages, and we can change the screen setup as well. Now that's all controlled from your steering wheel right here. You do have your call out, voice recognition, and hang up button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side, as well as some paddle shifters here and here to shift into manual mode, always fun to do. And then around the back of the steering wheel right here, you have a volume up and down, as well as the source changer right there. There's an identical one on the other side for your channel. Now in the center you do have a 5-inch touchscreen display here, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM all in there. Then you have your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, SD card, or Bluetooth. Then you have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. Your compass, you have your climate control here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you guys can have different levels of hot or cold. Then you have your more for your clock and your headrest fold and your mirror dimmer, all that stuff. Then down here we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights back button in the browser there. Your AC, circulation, heat up and down there. Then you also have your power, your off, your auto, and your front and rear defrost. Your stop start, eco mode, sport mode, and then you also have your traction control right there. Then down here we do have our aux cord plug-in, SD card, and a USB plug-in right there. Our gear shift is right here. Just twist it like that. Got some cup holders here. Then you also have a little bit of storage here and a dual layer glove box. So you got your top layer there and your bottom layer right there. And then over here we do have a locking glove box right there. You do have your owner's manual in there. Lots of room to put more stuff in. And then up top here we do have the controls of our lights and a sunglass holder. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have that same silver handle there. You have the control over your windows, handle here, and some more storage down here with a water bottle holder. Very nice back here. The seats are the same as the front. Very comfortable as well. You can fold this down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. You also have the controls over the climate back here, so the people back here can choose if they're hot or cold. Always nice to have. Now you can also fold this down just like that, and you can get to the seats just in the back there. It does seat 7 people all together, so you do have your cup holders back there and armrests as well. And there's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around view of the 2016 Dodge Durango SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.